Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I bring you another kit review. It's Sky Model kit review and another from AK. Okay, this one it's the AK35504, the number of the kit, and this one it's one of the models, German models I like to do a lot. It's the Panzer IV, and this is the D version, and this is for the Deutsche AFRIKA Korps, okay? And normally it's a very nice subject I like to do. So this have over 600 plastic parts. They have individual track links, you are going to see, photo edge fret and decals for 9 painting marking difference. So you got 9 versions, different versions, and of course I love this on the art box, and I'm going to make this one, okay? So you can know what I'm going to build. So now let's open, and no, before, you can see here on the side we got English, Spanish, German and French, of course, and we got here the versions we can do, okay? But you see that more on the instructions. So let's put this right here, and we got here of course the manual. I already removed from the bag because I want to see it. So let's put this away. We got here the decals and the bag on the instruction manual, and we got here a big bag and a small bag, okay? So let's put this away right here on my deck, and this is going to be for the wheels, okay? And I can show you it here, but you are going to see what is going for the instructions. So let me just put this a little away. Not there, okay. And let's open the big box. Okay, it's like Christmas. You got the big presents. Remove all of this. Okay, big one. Now let's put this away and show you more of this. So we got here lots of parts, okay? I know this is for the wheels. We got here the tracks, and the tracks are nice because they separate each side. And of course this is from Dragon, and this is the magic tracks, you guys know. So you got this all cut and clean. We got here the clear parts, of course, for the periscopes and some parts from the lights. We got here photo edge parts, okay? Here there's on this camera, you can see better. Oops, out. Now we got here, let's open this, and this, it's nice because it's on bags, okay? It's not all around. Let's cut a little like this. Okay, and we got here the lower hole, as you can see. Let's show, and you can see the nice details. You can see here the rivets are really nice. Okay, we got here the some part of the turret, and like I said, really nice details on this. Now we got here another bag, so let's start open all of these. And let me show you guys. So this is the side skirts. Well, the skirt from the hole. Okay, I'm Portuguese, sometimes my English it's not so good, but you can see the lots of details we got on this one. Really nice. We got here some parts, more parts, some edges, okay, of course for the main edge we got here for the construction, but you see that later. Now let's start over more sprues. Two more. So for 600 parts, of course, you are going to have lots of sprues. It's difficult? No, it's very easy. You just have the patience to put all the pieces together, just like that, okay? Yeah, I know there are kits more easy to make, but if you want nice details, have nice the constructions, okay, it's more near of reality, you need to put more parts, okay? And you can see here, this is from the turret, the bottom of the turret, these parts too, okay? And yeah, lots of parts from the turret. For the front, I don't know, it's going to be these two, because we have different options to make that. We got here, this is from the inside of the turret, right there, oops, and you can see the definition there, so awesome. The parts of the gun, okay, the interior, of course, careful with these parts, for the gun, here more part from the gun, and it's nice because it's one piece. So you got more definition, and when you glue two parts it's always a struggle because you need to sand it a lot. We got here the gun, and one more time, so awesome for plastic, really nice. So let's go for more and more parts. Open. Better like this. And I want you guys to see what you expect from this. So more parts, and you can see so awesome the details, some of the boxes, extinguisher, some of the tools right there, so great. Great. One more sprue. Okay, and you can see more these side skirts from the upper hole. So only in instructions you are going to see the options we have. So let's put this away and I show you. As you can see, as I'm talking here from the front, you can see another option, and I don't know if this is the sprue or not, but we got here some of the vents, apart from the motor, and it's really good for plastic. The definition, guys, really good, nice. So one more sprue, let's grab the other, and as I told you, you got here different side skirts. You got here the nozzle for the gun, and more parts for the gun. The edges, guys, they are really awesome on the details. Okay, the outside and the inside, they are really good. So for you guys thinking this kit is expensive, yes, but it's worth every euro, or penny, or dollar you paid for it. Oh, more sprues. This kit is very complete, and here it is. So the upper hole, it's right here. Some of the wheels, the sides. Okay, here more edges. Really nice. Let me show you guys. Really good. I like a lot of definitions, and look at those wheels, the definition you got on the wheels, really awesome. More parts, okay. I think this one's it's for the sprocket, and look at this, look at these details, awesome. Yes, really nice. And now we got one more bag, and we got more, another one, but one more bag to open. Now we got here some wheels, the sprocket, and on this I know you are going to assemble all the sprockets, and you have here, let me show you what's more easy. So 2 equal sprues, I'm going to say the other one. We got here the sprockets, of course, and the idle in 2 pieces, but you got here the sprocket all to build, and I know on these versions you are going to use this one, okay? So like I said, you got going to have lots of details on this. Can see here the wheels, so good. Here some parts of the bogies of the suspension, so nice boxes. The caps for the wheels, and they are really nice, guys. So yes, and here you can see the symbol of the dragon. Okay, so nice. And let's see if it's the last bag. Okay, and of course more wheels and more suspension. Okay, I always talk about suspension. You guys use it from Tamiya kits, the suspension normally it's very easy. On this it's more difficult, but you have lots and lots of definition. So again, 2 equal sprues, and you can see the idle, it's much different. The sprocket here too, the caps for the wheels, and I think this is the one we are going to use, the parts for suspension. So I think this is the one you are going to use. So now the last thing we are going, the last no, I will show you the decals, of course, and you guys can see the decals. So we got the numbers, solo numbers, so you can put really nice. Okay, normally on these big ones I know it's difficult to put that. So now the last thing, it's instruction manual. Okay, and as you can see, this blue part, it's not for use, and as you can see there are lots of parts you're not going to use on this. Nice. So let's crack this. So the first you got is the symbols for you guys going to make. If you want to be careful, if you remove, if you drill a hole, if you fill a hole, okay, glue together, do not glue. Okay, you got, see this, it's very important when you are doing this, okay, and one of these you can see if you want to make one version or another version. So the first thing you got here, it's the sprocket and the idle wheel, to start making. Then we got here the bogies for the suspension with the wheels of this construction. And yeah, you think it's difficult? No, it's not difficult, guys. Just have patience, and at the end you are going to be surprised of the level of the details your model have. Okay, so we see here lots and lots and lots of parts, making the lower hole and putting these wheels, more wheels. So many parts from the interior, making the gun, making the periscopes, the windows, okay, the vents right here. Now working on the upper hull, all this construction. Like I always said, some of the tools, some of the boxes I like to paint out of the vehicle, then I use with super glue and put on the place, because I think it's better to make a more nice model. Okay, so continuing here on the front of the upper hull, you see here the side of the skirt, all the tools you are making and where to put it. Okay, here this for the other side, of course. Here the construction of the main edge, okay, the interior for the gun. As you can see, it's typical on these Panzer IVs. Nice. Here we got here for the open or close it, the construction of the spare tracks to put there. Here the muffler, okay, and the construction of the tracks. So magic tracks, yes. And you have a jig for this part. Okay, so awesome. So as you can see, it's 13 steps. It's very easy to make this model, believe it or not. It's very easy for the very nice details we have. Now at the end we got here lots and lots of ways to make our tank. You can see here with the gray, with the Panzer and the gray, so you have all where it is, the date, and what it's about, so you can see lots and lots. And of course I'm going to make as we have on the box art, so it's going to be like this, mine. Okay, so guys, one more time, I want if you have any questions, you can ask me. Of course, if I know, I will tell you, but if you want, you just go to AK and make all the questions you want, and they going to answer to you. And guys, I hope you like it. If you have any critic to make, so just say to me and I will try. So I am a good modeler, but I am not a filmmaker. Okay, so sometimes it's not so good my videos, and I really hope you guys like it. So bye guys, and I see you later on another video. Bye guys.